Hi, welcome to episode 5 of Fork It Up. So now I am finished with my user flows and I have added them to my GitHub. Sorry, my dog knocked something over. I've added them to my repo, to my README of my project, and pushed it to GitHub. So all of that is in there now. So the next thing I'm going to do is experiment a little bit with Trello. I previously have been using the projects, and I've also used Notion, but I know a lot of people use Trello, so I'm going to try that out. Alright, so I'll do continue with Google. Alright, it's the place where you and your collaborators can quickly organize and start getting things done. Alright, I'm going to create my first board. Alright, board title, HVC, oops, there we go, HVC. Community boards. Ooh, that's fancy. I like that background. So it looks like there's a to-do, doing, done, and I can add other lists as I would like. So let's just start in adding some cards. So let's see, title for this card. I am going to call this going to call it landing page. Alright, let's just add that. And let's see. Create some labels. Okay. So put two labels on that. One that it is for the client side of the application, and that is the highest priority category. Okay. I don't want that. Let's make this yellow one will be priority high. The red one, priority medium. And I'm not going to bother with low priority because I'm not even going to add it to the board until it's at least to a medium priority status. And let's make the purple be database, and let's do this fun teal-ish color and call it server. Okay. Oh, okay. Labels. Let's see. I can add a more detailed description. I like that I can actually like customize the labels in here. And I am going to sorry, I'm just thinking, where did it go? Okay. As a prospective member, I want to view basic info about the app so that I can decide whether to join. Alright, and let's see. Login form, which will also be on the landing page. Put that in. Okay. Open it up. Alright, so as a member, I want to log into my account using a form with built-in validation. So I can access the community boards. Alright, so let's give that some labels. There we go. Yeah, it's very similar to the other tools I've used in the past. I'm liking it so far. Let's see, what other kind of lists do I want to be able to have? Do next. Doing. Just say ready to deploy for feedback, and then done. We can add more later, but that seemed to be pretty easy to add in. So yeah, that's getting me to a good start with this. So I will continue to set that up, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.